Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explain the confusion matrix and we will also visualize the confusion matrix using Python. So the confusion matrix basically helps us to understand how well a classification model performs by showing correct and incorrect predictions. So why the confusion matrix is important? As the accuracy or the machine learning models alone does not always give a complete picture of a model's performance. So by using a confusion matrix, we can simply break the predictions into four categories, which allow us to analyze model behavior in very detail. The confusion matrix mainly consists of true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative. So these values helps us to evaluate classification models even more efficiently. So here, first we have imported some required libraries, like we have used NumPy for data handling, Matplotlib for the visualization, and scikit-learning to generate the confusion matrix. Then we have created two different lists, like the actual list represents the true levels and the predicted list represents the model's predictions. Then we have generated the confusion matrix by comparing the actual and predicted values. And finally, we have visualized the confusion matrix using the Matplotlib library. So this visual representation makes it easier to interpret the model performance. So from the confusion matrix, we can simply say that the top left cell represents our true negatives. Then the top right cell represents the false positives. And the bottom left cell represents the false negatives. And the bottom right cell represents the true positives. So higher values along the diagonal indicate better performance, better model performance. So visualizing the confusion matrix allows us to quickly identify where the model is making mistakes, and these insights helps to improve models and select better visual evaluation metrics like precision and recalls. So the confusion matrix provides a clear and detailed evaluation of classification models, and by plotting these, we can easily interpret results and improve model performance. And this concept is very essential in machine learning and data science. So if you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for these types of videos. Thank you. We will see you within the next video.